Welcome to Pitch and Notes 1. You've officially graduated from all the rhythm lessons. And from now on, we're going to be talking about pitch, which means how low and how high notes are, not just is there sound and not sound for rhythm. So let's talk about high sounds versus low sounds. So we call most sounds pitches. Pitch is a single sound. If you open your mouth and say just like you would at the doctor's or dentist's office, the sound you're making is a pitch, which you can sometimes call a note. A note is a way of measuring certain pitches and giving them names. More on that later. So let's compare some high pitches and some low pitches. So here is example 31, high pitches. Those sure are high sounding pitches. Sounds kind of like a bird chirping or a door squeaking, or if you've ever had the misfortune of hearing a car brake squeaking as well. Pretty close to that. Okay, let's listen to some low pitches. This is example 32. Okay, now those are lower pitches like thunder rumbling in the distance, or perhaps if you've ever heard someone in their car listening to music very loud and all you hear is the that's the low sound or the bass coming through. So low pitches versus high pitches. I will see you in the next lesson. Hey there, if you want to learn more about music theory, I highly recommend right now going to grab the 10 things everyone should know about music theory. It's a free download for you that you can get right now. There's a link in the description, also in the pinned comment below this video. So what are you waiting for? Go grab that thing and I will see you in the next video.